Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Continue doing 4.8. We did this. Now we'll continue to the old exams problems. Bismillah. Linearization. What do they want linearization? They want L of x. L of x, which is what? F of a plus f prime at a, x minus a. خلاص. This is a equals 0, and this is f. I need f prime, so I can substitute them directly. That will be what? A tan inverse 3x, derivative of this, 1 plus 3x square times derivative of 3x, which is 3. Now f of a, which is f at 0, that will be a tan inverse of 0 is 0, e to the power 0, that will be f prime at 0 will be what? A to the power 0, 1 times 3 over 1 plus 0, that will be 3. So L of x will be f of a, 1 plus 3 x minus 0, which is 1 plus 3x, which is this. Next, the radius of a sphere was measured to be 20. R equal 20. Possible error in measurement at most this. The R equal 0.05. What they want? They want the maximum error at most, so this will take it as the maximum, computed the volume of the sphere. Volume of the sphere. I want to approximate dV. I want to find dV. The error in the volume. What is the volume for the sphere? It's 4 over 3 by r cubed. dV is 4 by r square dr. Plug the numbers now. That will be 4 by r square, which is 20 square. dr is 5 over 100. Okay, that will be what? 20 by 400 over 100, which is 80 pi, which is this one. Okay, using a suitable linear approximation, this is equal to what? Okay, so what is my function? My function x to the power 5. What is a? I want to find the value, which is easy to calculate, for which is not far from this one, which is for sure it will be 1. Okay, so what is f prime? Is 5x 500. This is 500. That will be 500 x to the power 499. Okay. Now I want to approximate this. 1.0002 to the power 500 is f 1.0002 for this f, which is f1 plus 0.0002. So this is my a, and this is my delta x. Okay, approximated. Remember, I have f of a plus delta x. You can approximate it using f of a plus f prime at a delta x or dx. Usually use dx, where dx is the same as delta x. This is equal dx. So use this approximation. Okay, so this is f of 1, a is 1, delta x is this. Approximately is f of 1 plus f prime at 1 times dx, which is 0.0002. Plug the numbers. F at 1 will be 1. F prime at 1 is 500. This is what? 2 over 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, 2 zeros gone, 2 zeros gone. So I have 1 plus 10 over 100, which is 1.1. 10. Okay, which is this. The realization of this function at x equals 0 is given by this. Okay, don't forget the formula. L of x, f of a plus f prime at a, x minus a. Okay. So I need f prime. This is A. F prime will be what? A tan inverse minus 7 over 2x times 1 plus minus 7 over 2x all square, derivative of this, which is minus 7 over 2. Okay. So L of x will be f of a, e to the power 0, since a is 0, e to the power tan inverse of 0, tan inverse of 0 is 0, e to the power 0, that will be 1. Plus f prime at a, substitute here at 0, that will be 1, that will be 1, so I have minus 7 over 2. Minus 7 over 2 times x minus 0. So I have 1 minus 7 over 2 x. Which is this one, I'll do the same. I need f prime, this is my a. So I need f prime. F prime, be careful. It's 1 over 1 over x times minus 1 over x squared. So it's minus x over x squared, which is minus 1 over x. Okay. Now, L of x will be f of a plus f prime at a, x minus a. F of a is what? Ln 1, that will be 0, correct? 1 over 1, ln 1, 0, plus f prime at a. Which is minus x minus 1. So it will be 1 minus x. And that is the answer. Realization of this function at this a, L of x, f prime is what? Cosine x, easy. Lx will be f of a plus f prime at a, x minus a. Yeah, f of a, f at pi over 6, that will be half, plus square root 3 over 2, x minus pi over 6. What is this? That is this function. Now it's cosine. F prime of x will be minus sine and a equals 0. L of x will be what? F of a plus f prime at a, x minus a. F of a, f of cosine 0 is 1, a is 0. F prime sine 0 is 0, that will be 0, x minus 0. So the answer is 1, which is this. The approximation of this function. But just need to deal with different functions, huh? The idea is the same. That would be e plus tan x, and here I have secant square x. L of x will be f of a, f of 0, plus f prime at 0, x minus 0. F of 0 will be what? Tan 0 is 0, plus a, then a, this is 1, plus f prime at 0. Substitute here. Secant 0 is 1 over a. That will be 1 over a times x. Which is this? Different function. F prime of x will be ax plus cosine x. L of x will be f at 0 plus f prime at 0, x minus 0. F of 0, e to the power 0, 1 plus 0, which is 1. F prime at 0, 1 plus 1. That will be 2x, which is this. Okay. Same idea, but now I need to find L at a value. Who cares? F prime will be what? Cosine x minus sine x. This is my A. So L of x will be f of pi over 2 plus f prime of pi over 2 x minus pi over 2. Okay. That will be L of x. F of pi over 2. Substitute here, sine pi over 2 is 1 plus 0, that will be 1. Here, cosine pi over 2 is 0, that will be minus x minus pi over 2. This will be L of x, but will be L for pi over 7. So instead of x, I will write 4 pi over 7. That will be 1 minus 4 pi over 7 minus pi over 2. That gives me 1 minus, that is what? 8 pi minus 7 pi over 14. What is this one? Liquidization of this. Well, I need to find the derivative of this. 0. That will be 1 minus 4x minus 4. This is A. L of x will be f of 0 plus f prime at 0, x minus 0. F of 0 is what? 2 ln 1, which is 2, plus f prime at 0. That will be minus 4x. What will be L of minus 1? It will be 2 minus 4 minus 1. That will be 6, which is this. Using any approximation or differential, the best estimate. So this is 10 plus b. Find b. Okay. So I need to, what will be my function? Let's think about the function. That will be cube root of x. A, where it's easy to evaluate this, or that A equal 1000. 1000, yes. So cube root of 1000 is 10. Okay, we know it. طيب. I need f prime. That will be 1 over 3. X to the power minus 4 over 3. X to the power minus 2 over 3. Okay. Plus find L of x. Then I will approximate f of x using L of x. L of x will be f of a, f of 1000, or you can use the differential, it's up to you, plus f prime of 1000 times x minus 1000. That will be f of 1000 is 10 plus f prime 1000. That will be 1 over 3. 1000 cubed is 10 times 1 over 10 squared, which is 100, times x minus 1000. This is L of x. So f of 1001 approximates using L 1001, which is 10 plus 1 over 300. Here I have 1001 minus 1000, which is 1. So I have 10 plus 1 over 300. So my answer B is 1 over 300, which is this. Yeah, the approximation for this function that x equals 0, find this. Okay. No, this is my function. I need to find this using the linear approximation. So I want to approximate this using Lx. I need f prime. That will be minus sine x plus pi over 6. Okay, L of x will be f at 0 plus f prime at 0, x minus pi over 6. Okay. That will be f of 0 cosine pi over 6, which is square root 3 over 2. F prime at 0, so this one, minus half x minus pi over 6. This is my L of x. Okay. Okay. Now I want to approximate this. Wait a minute. This is x minus 0. Sorry. This is x minus 0. Since I take the function as a whole. Take the function as a whole. This is x minus 0. So it's a square root of 3 over 2 minus x over 2. I'm not doing it with y over 6 because I take this as a function, as complete function. So I'm dealing with a as 0. Okay. Now, f of x will be approximately L of x. Okay, if you think about this, comparable to this one, this is f of 0.1. So it will be cosine pi over 6 plus 0.1. If you apply it here, it will be cosine 0.1 plus pi over 6, or pi over 6 plus 0.1. Okay, so this is approximated L of 0.1. And that will be square root 3 over 2 minus half. X is 1 over 10. So square root 3 over 2 minus 1 over 20, which is this. You can do this to approximate this. Okay, my a is 0. Okay, what will be f prime is 1 over 2 root x. L of x will be f of 0 plus f prime at 0, x minus 0. F of 0 is 1, f prime at 0 half x. Okay, now square root 1.1 is f, don't forget, f of x. I will approximate it by using L of x. 1.1, I'm using this function. So my x will be what? 0.1. So it will be f of 0.1. I'm not using square root of x, I'm using square root x plus 1. So that I can approximate it using L of 0.1, which is 1 plus half times 1 over 10, which is 1 plus 1 over 20, which is 21 over 20, which is this. Same idea. This is my function. 1 over 2 root 100 plus x. Okay. L of x is f of a plus f prime at a, x minus a. F of a, square root of 100, which is 10, plus f prime, that will be 1 over 20, x minus 0. So it's 10 plus x over 20. Now square root 100.5, it's f of 0.5. Since I have, this is 0.5, so I have square root 100. Okay. That I will approximate f of x using Lx. That will be approximately L of 0.5, which is 10 plus, what is it? 0.5, 1 half over 20. That will be 10 plus 1 over 40. So it will be 400 plus 1, 401 over 40, which is this. Okay, different function. Find f prime e to x minus, that will not make a difference, minus 3 to x sine x plus 2 e to x cosine x. Okay. L of x will be f of 0 plus f prime at 0, x minus 0. F of 0, substitute e to the 0, 1, cosine 0 is 1, that will be 1. F prime at 0, here I have 0, here I have 2, plus 2x. This is my L of x. So I can approximate f of x using L of x. So it comes f of minus 0.001, that will be approximately L minus 0.001. So it's 1 minus or plus 2 times minus 1 over 1000. Just to make it clear, that will be 1 minus 2 over 1000, which is 998 over 1000, which is 0.998. This is. using approximation to estimate this. I don't have a function, so take my function square root of x and a1. Look, we did the same problem where I'm using this function square root of x plus 1. My a is 0. Here I'm making a is 1 and it f prime 1 over 2 root x. Both are correct. L of x will be f at 1 plus f prime at 1 x minus 1. That will be f at 1 1 f prime at 1 half x minus 1, and that's L of x. I know that in f of x I can approximate it using L of x. Now square root 1.1 is f 1.1. As I'm using the function square root of x. So that will be approximately L 1.1. Substitute, so you have 1 plus half, 1.1 minus 1, which is 0.1. So we have 1 plus half times 1 over 10. That will be 1 plus 1 over 20. Okay, 1 over 20 is what? If you think about 1 over 20, multiply by 5 over 5, that will be 5 over 100, which is 0.05. So that is 1.05. The volume of the circle was found to be 8. This is the volume, is 8. Possible error 0.1 of what? Measurement of its edge. So the edge call it x, and have the error in the edge is 0.1. Okay, the differential estimated the maximum possible of meeting what the volume of the cube. I will find the question, find dv. The differential of v. The error, which is dv in v. So v cube is x cubed. That implies in dv is 3x squared dx. I know the x, but what is x? I'll get it from here. V equal x cubed equal 8. So x equal what? 2. So this is 3 times 2 square times 0.1, which is 12 over 10, which is 1.2. Make it fraction. Okay. The area of a cube is found to be 10. Alas, x equal 10. Possible error is 0.1. Dx, call it x, who cares? But the maximum is percentage error. Percentage error. What is the percentage error? If you remember, it's dv by volume, huh? Times 100 percentage. Okay. What is the volume of the cube? X cubed dv is 3x squared dx. dv by v will be 3x squared dx over x cubed, and that will be 3 dx over x. Okay, and that will be 3 times 1 over 10 over 10, which is 3 over 100. Percentage error will be what? dv over v times 100 percentage, which is 3 over 100 times 100 percentage. It will be 3%, which is this one. Okay. The laser sphere was measured sphere. Possible relative error. I have the relative error. So dr by r of the radius, huh? It's 0.05. At most 0.05. You want the maximum. It's the same idea. I want to find dv by v. I don't know what is the r or what is r. Okay, but I know that the volume of the sphere 4 over 3 pi r cubed with dv 4 pi r square. So dv by v will be 4 over 3 pi r cubed over 4 pi r square. Cancelled, 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 cancelled. This one, cancel this and cancel this. Oh, don't forget there is a dr here. There is a dr. Oh, wait a minute. I'm mixing them. dv, this is dr. So that will be 4 by r squared dr over b. Cancel, 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 cancel. That will be 3 dr over r. So I don't know what is dr or what is r, but I know dr over r is 0.05. So this is 3 times 0.05, which is 0.15, which is okay. Yeah, I think we are almost there. Okay. Y equal this, x equal to delta x equal this. Find dy and delta y. Okay, let us remember the formulas. dy equal f of x plus delta x minus f of x. Small dy, it's f prime at x dx. Okay, now let us just plug the numbers, do the calculations, we'll get the answer. Okay, let me start with delta y. Delta y will be f, x is 2, this is delta x minus f of 2. Okay, that will be f 1.6 minus f of 2. And that, I substitute this here, that will be f of x. Huh? This will take what f of x. Okay, that will be 2, 1.6, 1.6 square minus f of 2 is 4 minus 4, which is 0. خلاص. This will be 3.2 minus. Is 1.6 squared. Let me do the calculation. 16, 16, 6, 6, 36, 39, 61, 6, 6, 5, 2. So it's 2.56. Okay. Let me do this to be sure. This is 1, this is 10, this is 4, this is 2, this is 11, this is 6. So this is 0.64. Okay. dy will be what? F prime at 2. I need to find f prime. F prime is 2 minus 2x. This will be f prime at 2 times delta x or dx. By the way, this will be dx, delta x. F prime at 2 will be what? 2 minus 4, that will be minus 2. Dx minus 0.04, that will be 0.8. So dy plus delta y will be 0.8 plus 0.64, which is 4. This is 14, 1.44, which is this. The estimation of this value. Okay. So this is my function, خلاص. A will be what? 2, which is I can calculate. So f prime is 4x cubed. L of x, I can use it to approximate this. I have f of a, f of 2, plus f prime at 2, x minus 2. F of 2 is 2 to the power 4, which is 16. F prime at 2, 4 times 8 plus 32, x minus 2. Okay, I know an f of x, I can approximate it by using L of x. So 1.999 to the power 4 is f 1.999, since the function is x to the power 4, which is I can approximate using L 1.999. Substitute, that will be 16 plus 32, 1.999 minus 2. Okay, that will be 16 plus 32 times what? is 0.0001. Am I right? Can check. Add 1. No, it should be 1 here. Yeah. Add 1, that will be 0. And 1 up. Add 0, 1, 1, that's it. So this will be with a minus sign, by the way. Because it's 1.999 minus, so it's minus 0.001. Okay. Make it very clear. So that will be 16 minus 0.032, which is what? Need 8. It will be 15 point something, 0.869. Yeah, which is this? This is given 12. خلاص. R equal 12. Maximum error, dr is 0.1. The maximum. Use differential, the area. Oh, what is the area? By r square. So dA equal to by r dr. So dA, like the numbers, that's it. 2 by 12.1, which is 1 over 10. So it will be 24 over 10 pi, which is 2.4 pi. Okay. What is my function? 1 over x. What is a? 5. Okay. What is f prime? Minus 1 over x squared. This is L of x. F of a plus f prime at a, x minus a. And f of a is 1 over 5. F prime at a minus 1 over 25. X minus 5. That will be my L of x. And with that, in f of x, I can approximate using L of x. So 1 over 5.01, that is f of 5.01, which I can approximate using L of 5.01. That will be 1 over 5 minus 1 over 25. 5.01 minus 5, that will be 1 over 100. Now I need to do this in an easy way. Yeah. This one, since all the answer in digits, I'll make it changes to digits. That will be 1 over 5. I'll come back to 1 over 5. But this is 4 over 100 times 1 over 100. Okay, which is 1 over 5 minus 4 over 100,000, 10,000. Now the same thing I want to do with the 5. I know in 1 over 5, multiply by 20 over 20, we're getting 20 over 100. Multiply by 4 over, multiply by 100 over 100. That give me what? 2,000 over 100 times 100 or 10,000. So this is 2,000 over 100,000 minus 4 over 100, which is equal 1996 over 100, 10,000. So it's this one, 0.18, which is equal 0.1996. Okay. This function, what's f prime? We can deal with this as 1 minus x to the power minus half. So that would be minus half. 1 minus x to the power minus 3 over 2. Don't forget this. Minus 1. So it will be half. Okay. L of x will be f of 0 plus f prime at 0, x minus 0. F of 0 is what? 1. F prime of 0, half x. That's it. That will be an x. Yeah. I'm going to approximate this. So my function is x to the power 5. My a will be 2. My f prime is 5x to the power 4. Okay. I want to use the differential. Okay. I know this relation, f of x plus delta x equal f of x, not equal, approximately f of x plus f prime of x dx. Okay. So this is my function. I know in f in the 2.04 to the power 5, this is f of 2 plus 0.04 for this function. Okay. So this is delta x. This is a. Okay. This is approximately f of 2 plus f prime at 2 times dx. This delta x is the same as dx. What is f at 2? 32. F prime at 2, 80. And dx is 4 for 100. This. So I have 32 plus 32 over 100, which is 32.32. Nice number. Is it? F of 2 is 32. F prime at 2, 80 times 4. Yeah, good. Very nice. No, wait a minute. It's 32 over 10, not 100. Be careful. It's cancelled. You have 32 over 10. So it's 32 plus 3.2. It's 35.2. Is it? Oh. Yeah, I'm thinking 2.04, if we multiply it 5 times, what are we getting? We're getting 35 point something. Yeah, which is a good approximation. And be careful with the calculation. Actually, I will do 2.04 just for our information to the power 5, which is by the calculator. I'm getting 35.3358 something, which is makes sense. This is 3.2. Huh? This is 3.2. Okay. The side of a square is measured to be 10 centimeters. This is the side of a square. X equal 10. Possible error, this is the error. The x 1 over 32. You want the error in calculating the area of the square. The area of the square is x square. dA will be 2x dx, which is 2 times 10 times 1 over 32. This is 1. This is 16. This is 5. This is 8, which is 5 over 8. Okay. Here's the linear approximation to approximate this value. The value of cosine 61 degree. Okay, you need to deal with these things as the radian, huh? 61 pi over 180. Okay. So what is the function? It's cosine x What is A? 60 degree. Okay, so what is F prime? Is minus sine X. Okay. L of X will be what? F of A plus F prime at A, X minus A. That will be F of A, F of 60, cosine 60 is what? Half plus square root 3 over 2. No, wait a minute. Sine 60 is minus, minus sine here. X minus 60, which is pi over 180. I need to make it in radian. 60 is 60 pi over 3. I mean. Yeah, it's pi over 3. Okay. So I can approximate f of x using L of x. Cosine 61 degree will be f of 61 pi over 180, which is I can approximate it using L of 61 pi over 180, which is equal to half minus square root 3 over 2, 61 pi over 180 minus 60 pi over 180. So that gives me half 3 over 2 by 180. Still half minus square root 3 pi over 360. Okay. Okay. One side of right triangle is known to be 20. The opposite angle is 30, and the error with the angle. Okay. We have this.